Hey guys, it's Ruchita, your makeup expert from MyGlamm, and today I'm here to show you how can you nail this perfect colored eyeliner look from our new lid collection, so stay tuned. So if you guys like this colored eyeliner look, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more such videos. Bye!